Yeah. Rugged man, I just own Rugged Records. You say?
I'm leaving you tomorrow today.
I'm coming through bad on this one, bro.
Just give me 1 minute,
Okay.
I got something to say before I walk away.
You can hate me all you want. If you ain't on my level, you ain't on my level. Chill, let me take you back to when he started, back to when it was a hobby, when I looked retarded. If you had known me back then, you would've laughed your head off. I was a skinny little nigga nobody had heard of. My moves grew like extensions, knew my intentions. Award-winning rap albums will be my inventions. Always knew my time would come, so I let the fire burn. This stuff to make me take my place like a Leviathan. Made high-risk maneuvers, felt pain like a Hoover. Wanted to be and roll with the shakers and movers, but it wasn't easy, but I did it in the city with no pity. When I moved from Abbey Estate to Last Giddy, to getting where I fit in, rough was the real beginning. Nobody had an inkling of the drama I was bringing, but when I brought it, and people knew that I got it. My album dropped and everybody copped it. Yeah.
I'm leaving you tomorrow today. Your future was my yesterday. Just give me 1 minute, I got something to say before I walk away. Before I walk away. Before I walk away.
I see artists them running advertisements, bragging like children about their achievements, and I'm like, come tell me about your achievements, and I'ma tell you how many years ago I did them. But I'm still banging, yeah, with a blast. I thought I told you, Igbo man know they carry last. Everything these rappers want, I already had, so I guess your future lies somewhere in my past. But I had to make my cheddar rise, so I stuck the wall and showed them my better sides. But I think my better side's been overemphasized. Did I remind you that old soldier never dies? You go fear your boy, Mega John, Star Trek. Now me with the shine, ball. No be me carry Goliath, knock on for floor. So how can I battle Aki and Paw? What?
I'm leaving you tomorrow today. Future was my yesterday. Just give me 1 minute, I got something to say before I walk away. Before I walk away. Before I walk away.
At a time, every rapper wanted to sound American. I took my mother tongue and made it sound relevant. I be a state rapper, the human elephant, defended the game. Y'all should call me Rio Ferdinand. Some claim to be a bomb, but he can't blow. Pocket full of coins, baggy jeans sagging too low. Yeah, them talking hardcore, you think they was Rambo, but he just actors. Please go sign up for Ambo. Your game's tight, I hope your game swims. Cause a lot of rappers, they been drowning in the mainstream. Rap superstar was nothing but a daydream. Till show these MCs that dance, not the main thing. Now Rugged man's retiring, none can replace him. Cause ruling over people ain't as easy as it may seem. Cause you have to put up with dumb people who talk. Even Yaradua knew he needed a bit of good luck.
I'm leaving you tomorrow today. The future was my yesterday. Just give me 1 minute, I got